Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you watch my other videos, you know that I made a Labubu paper squishy. And she is Love, but I want to do another one, maybe like Serenity or something. So yeah, it's gonna be a tutorial on how to make a Labubu paper squishy. So let's get to it. So the materials you'll be needing is some clear tape, some paper, some scissors, and some like writing utensils. So I have a couple pencils, and then like just a black like outliner marker. So you're going to begin by folding your piece of paper in half. Alright, so my paper's folded, and so now you can do the fun part, which is sketching the Labubu. So grab a pencil or a pen or like whatever, and you can just start sketching. I think I'm going to trace her. Maybe I shouldn't, I don't know, because I want them to be like the same size, not like perfect, but like I don't want Serenity to be like huge or very tiny. So yeah, just kind of start sketching the basic shape of the Labubu. Alright, I kind of have like the very rough shape of the Labubu head. And so now you can kind of start sketching out like the proportions, like the eyes and the mouth and the nose and all that. Alright, so I kind of have the eyes there. Oh gosh, that looks really creepy. But yeah, you can start like doing the nose in a kind of shape of that. And then the mouth. So yeah. Alright, so we're almost done sketching our Labubu. We just need to finish up like the ears because that's like when the fur stops. And then the little thing inside of it. Alright, perfect. So now I'm going to take this and kind of just outline everything. Yeah, and then we can get on to the fun part, which is like coloring it. Oh, wait, actually no. Okay, sorry. I'm getting ahead of myself. So next you're gonna need to find like a clear window. My window is right there. And so I'm gonna take this and turn it around, and then it works better if you have a screen without a window, but yeah, just trace the Labubu head, not any of the details. So yeah, and then you have it on both sides. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright, there, so I have the other side. So now if like I'm flipping back to the front side, I'm just gonna outline this in all black and color the eyes and the mouth and everything. But don't color it in with the black, because we're actually gonna use the colors that Serenity is. So yeah. Alright, so I kind of outlined in black, and so now you can go and pick your colors. So you just need kind of like a green, and then like the black for, yeah, and then maybe like a pencil if you need to, I don't know, like do anything else. So yeah. Alright, so now we can start coloring. Guys, I totally forgot to include this, but you do need to sketch out a little like thing around the face that separates the face from the fur. So sorry, I totally forgot to tell you guys that. But yeah, that's where like the little ring of color goes. So yeah, and for Serenity, it's gonna be green. Alright, so the ring around the head is colored, and so now you need the outer line of both of the ears. Alright, so I did the ears, and then the nose, and then the little insides of there. And I forgot to mention this. Again, I'm like forgetting everything. Sorry. You're gonna need like a tan peach color to color like inside the face and the ears. Alright, so a color just like this will do fine, and so yeah, just color it in. Alright, so I colored it in, and so now you can flip it around and color the whole back green. So yeah, this is gonna take a while. Alright, so both sides are totally covered, and so now I am going to cut them out. Both sides are fully cut out, and so now this is where the tape comes in handy. Actually first, so on the front side, you're gonna cut off the ears. So I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so then you just have the head and the 2 ears there. And you can cut the ears off the back one too. I'll do that right now. And so match up the back side and the front side, like this. And then take a piece of tape. So now you're gonna laminate it. So you need to take like a pretty big piece of tape. Alright, one side done, one side to go. Alright, so now once it's all laminated, you can take a piece of tape and then stick it on the boo-boo, but like half on and half off. And then match the sides up. And then it's kind of hard to do with one hand here. Alright, so yes. So you match them up, and then the piece of tape goes over the top and down. See? And so then they're connected, and you keep placing pieces of tape along, and then you leave like a small gap right there, and then I'll show you what to do. Alright guys, my battery is running so low, so I'm gonna have like a continuation of this. It's like part 1 and part 2. So part 2 will be coming right up. Thank you, bye!